Welcome to the latest video in the Freelance Success Secrets mini-series, where I'll answer the question, how long does it take to earn an extra income as a copywriter, even if you're brand new? Guys, in this video I'm going to reveal how long you can expect to wait to earn an extra income as a copywriter, even if you're brand new to copywriting. Now, what I'll also do as a bonus towards the end of the video, as I'll reveal a secret tip that can help you get earning as a copywriter as quickly as possible. So you'll want to stay tuned to check that out towards the end of the video. So here's the $64,000 question that I get asked all the time, is how long does it take to earn an extra income copywriting, even if you're brand new? Most copywriters starting out want to get some idea of how long they can expect to wait to earn an income. And as I say, it's actually quite hard to say because everyone is different, and a lot will depend on how much you apply yourself and how much time you can initially spend getting your copywriting business off the ground. Now, one of the main things to understand, and this is something that puts a lot of people off, you need to understand that despite what many of the old pro copywriters or the old writers will tell you, you don't have to have a degree and study writing for years to make money copywriting. That's an old wives' tale. It's not true. I didn't have to do it, and you shouldn't have to do it either. So just to give you an idea and try to give you an answer to the question of how long it takes, in my own case, I started earning an income in my first month. But in all honesty, that was doing some quite low-paid jobs, mainly on two freelancing sites, one of which was Upwork, which I still use, and People Per Hour, which I haven't used for quite some time now. So, however, by a couple of months in, I was making $1,000 a month, then $2,000, and then by the end of 6 months, I was earning anywhere between $3,000 and $5 a month, which is pretty much a decent full-time income, and I was reasonably happy with that. Now, let me give you my extra bonus tip here. What can you do to speed up the process and get earning as quickly as possible? Again, something I'm often asked. And my number one recommendation here is to get yourself a decent copywriting course, if writing is the way you decide to go. The thing is to learn from someone who's already successful. Don't try to go it alone. You'd simply waste weeks and months of your time when you could be building up your business and your income. So get yourself a decent course and take it from there. So tell me now, if you went for a career as a freelancer, could you commit full-time, or would you have to go part-time and build it up over time? Let me know in the comments below. So as you've seen, it's quite possible that it shouldn't take you very long to start earning an income at all. I started making an income in my first month as a copywriter, and there's no reason why you can't do the same. Okay, admittedly it wasn't a huge income to start with, but it does ramp up over in time, and you can make a really good income if you stick with it. The tip about getting yourself a decent course, that's extremely important. Don't go it alone. Get yourself a course, get yourself organized, and take it from there. It's going to help you a lot. It's going to save you a lot of time and a lot of heartache. Now, if you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and leaving a comment below, and also subscribe, hit the bell notification so the next time I bring out information to help you, I know where to send it. Now, in my next video, I'm going to talk about the 3 things you need to get set up as a copywriter. This is good information, basic information that you need to get your business off the ground. And this is true not just of copywriting, but also true of freelancing in general. Now, all this is based on my own experience. I've been doing this since 2011, so you want to tune in for that and see what I've got to say about the 3 basic things you need. So look forward to seeing you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this one, and ciao for now.